Hi everyone, welcome back to Python 0 to Hero series. In the last video, we went deep into Python strings. We created them, sliced them, and even stole characters from them. But today, we are taking things up a notch. We are gonna learn all the major string methods in Python, the secret spells that make your text behave the way you want. So buckle up, and by the end of this video, your string game will be so much strong. Trust me. All right, let's start. We have got methods like dot upper, dot lower, dot title, dot capitalize, and dot swipe case. Yes, in the last video we discussed a little bit about them, but now we will discuss more. So let's start. Let me take text equal to hello world. Okay, let me print text. One second. Text dot upper. Perfect. Perfect. Uppercase. Print text dot upper turns the hello word into uppercase. Right. Next is print text dot lower. This will turn the hello word into lowercase. Next is print. One second. Next is print text dot title. Hello word. Yes, print text dot title will make the first letter of every word capital, similar as title looks like. Now next is print text dot capitalize. Okay, yes, text dot capitalize will make the first letter capital of the string. Simple. Next is print text dot swap case. Let's take swap case. Yes, it will swap the string. All the alphabets which are in uppercase will swap into lowercase, and if all the strings is in lowercase, then it will swap into uppercase. Simple. Let me show you with another example of swap case. Let's take all in capital letter. Hello, one second. Hello world. Okay, and let's take this text one. Then let's print text one dot swipe case. Yes, perfect. Now let's see. See, it turned all the uppercase into lowercase. It's basically swap it. Okay, understood? Perfect. These are like Python's built-in beauty filters. Dot upper shouts your text, dot lower calms it down, dot title adds that elegant touch, and dot swap case, well, it just flips out. It just flips out. Turns lowercase into uppercase and uppercase into lowercase. Perfect? Understood? Let's move ahead. Next is cleaning up text, because sometimes your string looks like it hasn't brushed its teeth in a week. Yes, let's take a string message. Python is cool. Okay, let's print message dot strip. Exactly. Wait, let me take a space, then only it will be understood. Let's print this. Python is cool. Basically, dot strip removes spaces from the both side. Exactly, there is no space in right hand side as well as in left hand side. Okay, next is print message dot left strip, that is lstrip. it will remove the space from the left hand side. And next is print message.rstrip. It will remove the space from the right hand side. Perfect. See, it removes it. There is a space in the left hand side when we are writing rstrip. Left hand side there is a space. It removes the space from the right hand side. And when we are writing the lstrip, then it removes space from the left hand side. Clear? Dot strip is like Python's version of face wash. It removes all those extra spaces and leaves your text squeaky clean. Clear? Now let's say you want to search or replace text. For that, Python gives you dot find, dot replace, and dot count. Let's see those. Let me take the string quote. Python is powerful and Python is fun. Perfect. Print quote dot replace. Let's replace Python with Java. 1 second. With Java. Perfect. Let's see. Perfect. Java is powerful. 1 second, one error, and then we are into it. Now let's see. Perfect. Java is powerful and Java is fun. Perfect. It's really crazy. Yes. Let's now print quote dot find. Now what we have to find? Let's see. Let's say powerful. Okay. Powerful. See, it's the 10th index number. It's on the 10th index number. Powerful. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10th. Perfect. Let's print next quote dot count, and how many times Python is there in a string, in a complete string. It will say 2. 1 is here and 2 is here. Perfect. Clear? Dot replace is like your personal autocorrect. Dot find is your control dot F, and dot count, that's your personal stalker, checking how many times a word appears in a string. Understood? See, sometimes you need to check what your string is made of, numbers, letters, or just spaces. Then for that, here comes the isalpha, isdigit, isspace, isupper, islower methods. Let's take this string cs unlocked. Let me print name dot is alpha. That means yes, false. Is alpha means, is there only letters in a string? Yes, false. Spaces are also there. If I remove the space, then it's true. And if I put down the space, then it will show false, is alpha. That means it counts only alphabet. So it means it is asking, is there only letters in a string? No, there is a space also. Got it? Understood? Let's take another example. Print 1, 2, 3. Dot is digit. Hmm. That is true. It is asking that only digits are there in 1, 2, 3. Yes, only digit. If I will give a space here, then it will show is false. No, only digits are not there. Space is also there. And got it? Clear? Let's take another example. Print CS 1, 2, 3. CS unlocked 1, 2, 3. Dot is all num. Is al num. That means alphabet and numbers are there. It will show true. Yes, in this string there are only alphabets and numbers. There are no spaces. If I put a space in between, then it will show false because space is there. Got it? Clear? Understood? Simple? Let's take one more example. Print. If I put space and a string, then dot is space, it will give true. Perfect. See? True, because it's asking only for spaces. Is space there in a string? Yes, it is there. Let's take another example. Print hello dot is upper. That means it is asking that the string is in uppercase. Yes, it is in uppercase. True. If I will write down like this, then it will show me false. Got it? These are perfect for input validation, like checking if your friend's username is actually a name and not just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got it? Next, let's learn how to align text like a pro. Perfect for printing tables or cool formatted outputs. Let's take title Python print title dot center and 20 comma, let's put a dash and we will print. Great, perfect alignment. See, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That means it is taking 20 spaces and it is putting this Python word in the center of the 20 space. Got it? Clear? Now let's print title dot left just in 20 spaces, left just in the left hand side. It should be printed 20 comma, we will stick star. See, Python is totally in the left hand side. Understood? Let's print right hand side also, title dot rjust 20 comma star. Python is in the right hand side, totally right hand side. Clear? It's amazing, fun and creative. Yes. See, Python is not rocket science. It's totally a simple language, easy to understand and very creative. Look at that, perfectly centered, like Python sitting peacefully in the middle of your screen. Yes, its alignment is so great. Got it? Now let's break a sentence into words or join them together by dot split and dot join. Let me take the sentence once again. Sentence. Yes, I love learning Python. Let's take learning Python. Now words. is equal to sentence dot split. Yes, print words. Okay, now let's see. It is printing, it is breaking your sentence like a cookie one by one. I love learning Python. Every word in a sentence is splitted. Clear? Simple? Now let's print one more. Let's take dot join words. Okay, yes, we are taking a dash to identify what is happening when we are taking dot join. All the words are joined together, but we have taken a dash to identify the string. Dot joins basically joins all the words in a string together. Okay, see, split breaks your sentence and dot join sticks it back together. Got it? Clear? Now you can even check if a string starts or ends with something. Dot start with and dot end with. Let's see this also. Let me take the string file name video.mp4. Print file name dot starts with video. Okay, print. Now let's see the example. True. Yes, the sentence is starting with video. The string is starting with video. It's true. Now let's ask print file name dot ends with mp4. What's the output? True. Yes, the string is ending with mp4. Now your Python app can tell if a file is a video or just something suspicious. One last thing I want to show you that Python lists every single string method. More than 40 of them. Let's see print dir str. Let's see, more than 40 of them are there. Add, class, contain, dir, format, get attribute, get item, get state, partition, left strip, lower, left just, isupper, join, is upper, is title, many more. 40 of them are there. But don't panic, you will mostly use 10 to 12 daily in your Python journey. Exactly. And that's it. You have officially completed strings in Python from basic to moderate level. Now you can handle any text like a pro coder. In the next video, we will learn more about strings. And trust me, Python is not at all boring. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like, hit subscribe button, and remember, always keep your string clean. Yes, thank you.